Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Areeba Sohail and today I am going to present our website project. The website we developed is an FMCG e-commerce website. The purpose of this website is to help customers easily browse products, view categories and place orders and contact the company online. We designed the website to be simple, user-friendly and easy to navigate. Okay, now we will start how we created the website. Before explaining the pages, I would like to explain how we built this website. Okay, we used a drag and drop website builder to design the layout. First, we created different sections such as header, hero section, categories, product section, and footer. Then we drag different elements from the sidebar and drop them onto the page. For example, we dragged an image widget and placed it in the banner section. Then we drag text boxes to add headings and descriptions. Then we drag button to create add to cart and read more buttons. Then we drag product section to display products on the home page. And then we arranged all the sections by simply dragging and dropping them onto the correct position. This method helps us to create website quickly and easily without writing too much codes. Okay, now the home page. I will explain the home page at the top of the website. We created a header section. In this header section, as you can see, we added the company logo, search bar, navigation menu, shopping cart icon. Then the navigation menu contains home, about us, new arrival, order and shipping policy, contact us. This menu helps users to move from one page to another page. Every section is having uh, subsections also. Okay, the banner section, below the header we added the large banner which is also called as the hero section. To create this section we dragged an image block and uploaded the FMCG products image, as you can see. And then the purpose of this banner is to attract the visitors and highlight the products available on the website. Then the brand section, next we created this brand section. Okay, we dragged images, containers, and inserted different brand logos such as Wet Ones, Vim, Vicks, Veet. These sections allow customers to quickly identify the brands available on our websites. Then category sections. After that, we designed our popular category section. We used icon widgets and text boxes. As you can see, the categories include baby products, electronics, female cares, household, male care, etc. These categories make it easy for customers to find products according to their needs. The next section is featured products. For this section, we drag products card onto the page. Each product card contains product image, product name, product price, and card button. Some examples are gloves, mouthwash, blankets, as you can see, hand soap, shampoo, medical kits. When customer click add to cart, the selected product is added to the shopping cart. New arrival page. Next, I will explain the new arrival page. For this page, we created a separate section and added promotional images showing new products. This page is used to display the latest products added to store. Customers can visit this page to see newly available items. Okay, now I will explain about us page. To create this page, we drag text section and image sections onto the page. Here we added information about company background, services, business missions, product offered. The purpose of this page is to help customers understand how we and what the services we provided. Next is the ordered and shipping policy page. For this page, we used drag and drop from fields. We added for first name field, last name, add address field, mobile numbers, email, submit button. This form allows customers to provide their information for the shipping and order processing. Now I will explain contact us page. In this page, we added company address, phone number, email address, contact form. We created the contact form by dragging input fields and arranging them in the rows. Customers can enter their information, write a message, and submit their query directly to the company. Now, at the bottom of every page, we created a footer section. To make this footer, we used multiple columns and dragged text widgets into the column. As you can see, the footer contains about the store, over services, information, links, social media icons. This section provides quick access to important information from any page of the website. For developing this website, now I will tell the conclusion that developing this website, we used HTML for structure and CSS for designing and styling, JavaScript for functionality, uh, Bootstrap for responsiveness, and database for product and customer data. These technologies helped us to create a professional and responsive website. Thank you.